Section 49th, conic section. Now before I start this question, there are few results which I'll have to derive, and then only I can start this question. And also I suggest that you should go and first read about pole and polar, because this question is based on pole and polar. Right? Now we know for a standard parabola, y square equal to 4ax, equation of tangent of slope m is this: y equals to mx plus a by m. Right? Equation of tangent of slope m that can be drawn to this parabola is this. Now if I change this parabola from to this parabola, x square equal to 4ay, that is, I have replaced x by y and y by x. In this parabola I have replacing y by x and x by y, and you know, when you replace x by y and y by x, the curve gets reflected about y equal to x line. This parabola will get reflected about y equal to x line, right? So this parabola means the red parabola, the one that is reflected about y equal to x line. Now we need to find equation of tangent of slope m drawn to this parabola. For that I can change y by x, because I have changed y by x and x by y for changing equation of the curve. For equation of tangent also I can do the same, because tangent will also get reflected about y equal to x line. If I do this and express y in terms of x, then this is equation of general tangent, but we cannot say it is equation of tangent of slope m, because m is not representing slope. To make it a tangent of slope m, I replace 1 by m by m dash. So it becomes y equals to m dash x minus a m dash square, or in terms of m, y equal to mx minus am square is the equation of tangent of slope m that can be drawn to this parabola of the type x square equals to 4ay. So condition a line of slope m, condition y equal to mx plus c will touch this parabola x square equal to 4ay is, you compare these two, right? You compare these two, it is c equal to minus am square. This is the constraint, this is the condition, right? So we'll use this question later, we'll use this condition later. Now next thing we need to understand is if this is parabola and there is a point outside the parabola, say P. Now from point P we can draw tangent PA and tangent PB. So from external point P it is possible to draw two tangents to the parabola, P and PB. Now if I join these 2 points of contact, I get chord of contact. You know about chord of contact, I would have read this chord of contact, line joining points of contact. And if you know this point is x1 y1, then equation of chord of contact is y1 equals to 2a x plus x1. Now this is chord of contact, but the same line, if you would have gone through the theory of pole and polar, so this scenario where there is a point, there is a line joining points of contact, and there is a conic, can be represented as a chord of contact. But the same situation can also be represented as a pole and polar, where this point is pole from where tangents are drawn, and the line joining points of contact is polar. So polar of this pole with respect to this conic, the relationship is like this: P is the pole of this line polar with respect to this conic, or we can say this line is polar of this pole with respect to the conic, and equation is same, result is same, y1 equals to 2a into x plus x1, right? So after seeing equation of conic with respect to parabola, equation of polar with respect to parabola, and condition a line y equal to mx plus c will touch x square equals to 4ay. Now we can start this question. In this question, equation of standard parabola is given y square equal to 4bx, instead of a it is b4bx, right? And from we have to find locus of point P from where tangents are drawn to this parabola, right? And tangent of this point P, where this point P is moving in such a way that polar of this point, so basically this is pole, polar of this pole, that is chord of contact, polar is chord of contact. Just now I explained you, this touches this parabola, another parabola touches another parabola. I'm just plotting a rough sketch, schematic diagram, right, just to show you that this line touches another parabola whose equation is x square equal to 4ay. Now it's very straightforward question. we'll write equation of polar with respect to this parabola, that is y1 equals to 2b into x plus x1, equation of polar. Now touches this parabola means c equal to minus am square, the result we derived just before this. And you know, if you express this in standard form, it is y equals to 2b by y1 into x plus 2b x1 by y1. So c is 2b x1 by y1 equals to minus a is this, minus a m square, slope is this 2b by y1 square. If we simplify this, it is x1 y1 equals to minus 2ab, that is locus, that is xy equals to minus 2ab is the locus, a rectangular hyperbola. Locus is a rectangular hyperbola.